Irrespective of shape of knife, to hold a knife is exactly the same, using a pinch grip technique. Holding your knife up, pinching it in, bringing your fingers round and taking full control of the knife. So to show you again, holding your knife into a pinch grip, bringing your fingers round, the knife then becomes part of your body, drawing an imaginary line across the board, the middle of the board, and what we're going to do is bring the knife on a rocking position up and over. Bringing your fingers in, creating a claw, the knife and your fingers working together. This is the safest way of using your knife and the most efficient way of using your knife also. So to use that and show you that with a piece of celery, pinch grip, your hands creating that natural position here, and I'm not pushing the vegetables through to the knife, I'm actually moving the fingers across over the celery, opening up my thumb at the back, moving it back and sitting the knife next to the fingers. Slicing all the way through. Using all of the knife or as much of the knife as possible and not concentrating on just one area of the blade. When holding the knife, don't do this and do not do this. If you're holding your knife this way, the actual knife is very rocky and not secure. And when creating your claw, do not do this or do not do this, because this area here becomes very vulnerable.